Yo, this is Kaio and welcome to the Airflare Progression Week 3. In this series I'm gonna try to learn Airflare on my weak direction, counterclockwise. This is my regular clockwise Airflare and this is my counterclockwise Airflare. If you are also learning Airflares or you wanna start, check out the Airflare training group that I created on Telegram, link in the description. And if you will need more help for your power moves, for your Airflares or your breaking in general, check out my Patreon link in the description. In the first and the second week, I focused mainly on the basics. I followed my Airflare follow-along tutorial, you can find the link in the description. I practiced spinning handstand and walkovers a little bit, and I practiced the basic power moves on my opposite direction. This week, I'm gonna do the same. I'm not gonna do anything new because it doesn't make sense to practice something new if I still need to improve a lot the basics. So I really hope this series is not gonna be too boring if I practice all the time the same things for the moment. In the next weeks my training could change depending on my progress. I'm gonna really try to do my best so this series is not gonna be too boring and all the time the same. So this is the first day of the third week and I'm gonna follow my Airflare follow-along tutorial. Let's do it! So let's play the video now! I feel like the throwing exercises are getting a little bit easier for me. And before I had to think more about the technique, how to do it. Now I don't have to think so much, but I know how it works. Even if it's not so visible, maybe for you, for me mentally is a good sign. The last part, trying to land higher or trying to land with this leg on the floor instead of the other one, is very hard for me right now. I think I need to drill this exercise here where I practice from here a bit more, because with this exercise I feel like I'm building the confidence to land higher. Ooh. I really think it's getting better. Whoa, better. This exercise made me realize even more that for me it's way easier doing a counterclockwise Airflare by using a trick form, by using the bounce of the knees, of the legs, instead of using the swing. Meanwhile, of course, as I said, I will still work on the swing. Now, before to end for today, I want to still practice a little bit flare to Airflare, just to change the technique a little bit, and then I think I'm done for today with Airflares. Week 3, day 2. Today's focus will be spinning handstands and walkovers. I think something is wrong in my weight distribution when I do spinning handstands, especially when I lean towards my right arm, so I need to correct something. I have to make sure my weight is on the center all the time. Let's try some walkovers now. last ones I tried to swing my left leg down, but it's still very hard for me. Week 3, day 3. Today I'm gonna focus on combos. I feel like my counterclockwise flare to swipe is getting better, but I need to work more on my windmill and the windmill to flare. When I do windmill to flare, for the moment I'm very low and I'm not able to kick so strong. But actually this is my first time practicing it after a long time, so I think it's normal, or it's even good if I can do it like this. With time, I will improve. I feel like I'm getting more control over the swipe, but I cannot focus on doing many rounds of swipes and focusing on the form at the same time. If I focus on the form of my swipe, it looks better, but I can only do like 3-4 rounds. If I don't focus on the form, but I just focus on doing more rounds, I can do more than 5, not always, but usually. But the form is a little bit worse. But yeah, it's pretty normal for the moment. I just have to keep doing it and it will get better. Let's try some flare to air flare combos. Before ending the video, I want to try some air flares, throwing directly from the left arm to the right arm. I think the technique is a little bit worse than last time, but I think it's still better than before. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable throwing, even if I fall, and I don't feel like I'm falling so heavily, so this is a good sign, I think. And until I do good attempts, it will get better. Okay, I tried one last time to pike a little more. It feels uncomfortable piking so much. I have to get used to this more. If you're also learning air flares, make sure to join the Telegram group, link in the description. If you will need more help for your air flares, for your power moves or your breaking in general, check out my Patreon, link in the description. And if you want to improve even more, you should become a ninja and wear this merch, link in the description as well. See you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!